Guys, Catherine forgot to there. Toast is a country and people and my place. Oh my. Who's that? Oh, that's my little dog. This is my dog. His name is Lupina. Casa. Who's the name? Casa. But this is not Casa. Yes, it is not Casa. You don't know. I really. Come with me. You come with me. Yes, come with me. Bye. Yes, you. Yes, you. Come here. What are you doing? No. Why do you have to agree? Why do you go to my clothes? Wow! Ouch! So I guess your clothes have to be in here. Everybody just hate me. So that's it. Bye guys.